Hi guys, do you remember me? Good morning. Oh wait, here, let me wait, I'm incognito. Here I am. It's a good morning. I was planning on sleeping until like 11, but I as I said I was woken up by some chirping, and at first I thought, oh, it's probably just nothing. Then, your head goes off and thinking, what if it's an emergency? Kira's with her dad. Then I thought, well, someone would just call me. I wouldn't hear this buzz, 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 buzz. And I was like, you know what? It's probably Dina and Alicia. But then I was like, oh, let me see what's going on. But it was good because now I'm up and I'm doing some extra work this morning before I have to go meet up with my father-in-law and my brother and sister-in-law for some Thanksgiving festivities between us. So all good stuff because I get to work on some schoolwork and what a rough couple of months it's been. That's enough from me, right? You guys probably didn't forget that I talk. Um, so I'm going to stop this. But now that I'm thinking about it, once I stop it, it's not going to show me how, I'm not going to be recording it to show you how to move it to a YouTube video. But what I will say is once I am done recording this, I am going to press, oh, the pause. I was going to say maybe I can switch it to screen. Um, it doesn't let me pull up settings. So I will then just pause this video and send it for just for your pleasure. And then I will literally record myself on my phone once I press stop. And so this will be part one of me. Hi, good morning, good day, be well, relax. Whatever you do, you can do. If you don't want to show your face, Dana, and you just want to speak, do you. Um, I know if I were a classmate, I would want to see your pretty face. Uh, as yours, Alicia, I actually don't watch any of this stuff or read any of it other than the ones I'm going to respond to, but I would watch yours because you're special, as is Dana, as is Alicia. I didn't have my coffee yet. Did not have my coffee yet. I woke up, literally woke up from the chirping, rolled out of bed. I went to the kitchen. I did not get coffee. My husband was like, "What are you doing up? You were up like late." I'm like, "Oh, I know. Good thing Dana and Leisha were buzzing away, woke me up. I'm gonna go look at something because when I was gonna go see what we had to upload." And I said, "But it's a good thing because I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna try to knock some things out." And yeah, again, I'm trying to work on less talk and more listen. I'm actually serious. It's a goal that I am a project, if you will, that I am trying consciously to do. I'm trying to be less hyper and more centered. And, not that there's anything wrong with my hyper talking self. I'm just trying to also listen some more. Because I asked my husband a couple weeks ago, and even though we all know he's not number one on my list these days, but nonetheless, I did ask him, do you think I talk too much? Like, do you think I share too much? Yeah, we all know where that answer's going. Hmm. He said, yeah, I do. I think sometimes you do. You share a little too much. Excuse me? What do you, I share too much? What do you mean? Like, do you think that annoys people? Do you think that it annoys people that I talk too much? What are you trying to say? Hmm. Well, no, I don't think it annoys people. I just think, yeah, I think you share too much. Like, you go. You don't need to tell the lady at the grocery store everything that happened to you that day. You just you you share and you talk everything. Hmm. Noted. So As you see, it's 5 minutes in, and I'm still talking. Thus, my phone's ringing. I will have no problem with the presentation because my rambling self, bring it back, bring it back. We all know my presentation is going to be like a half hour. Could be. I was going to say kidding, but let's be real. We know my posts, we know my videos, we know my text messages. We're all different, right? That's what makes us all special. We all have those special things about us, and mine is that. That's why I say no judgment on my posts. You can judge all those other people. Don't judge my long posts because I don't know how to short anything. There's always this thing that was said in my family, and it's like, how do you know someone's Irish? It's because they never know how to make a long story short. I think that's how it goes. I don't even think they know how to make a short story short. Yeah, okay. I just need to pull the plug because I'll keep talking to myself. But I feel like I'm talking to you, so that's why I keep talking. I do it on voicemails too, so a lot of my friends and family used to say, well, years ago, they said, Jess, I don't even listen to your voicemails anymore. I mean, we're going back to like high school. So that's over 20 years ago. I graduated in 97. Now, I just don't leave voice, or I purposely say, hey, try to call me back. I try. Once I start, as you see, I can't stop. And so my one friend Sean always just say, I call him, did you hear my voicemail? Did you listen what's going on? Just I didn't listen to your voicemail. I'm not going all through that. Every single person. I'm just gonna again stop. It's at 7 minutes now. But I know I said stop, but I just want to say that I'm very grateful for both of you. In all sincerity, I'm very grateful for each of you. I value each of you. I'm getting emotional. It's been a really rough, yeah, I wear my heart on my sleeve too. So it's been a very rough few months. And of course, it all started, just seeing who's out there, with each of you. And I don't know if I could have continued through this without your support and love and just push and just the constant text and everything. I've been quiet at times just because I've been overwhelmed, but uh, you probably are better off that way because you don't want me in there blowing up because it'd just be too much. So yeah, just want to say thank you, and I appreciate both of you, and I'm very, very grateful that God put both of you in my life, and just looking forward to this. Like 3 years seems like I don't think I can do this, but I know I can do it with each of you, and even with Alicia, with you going, in person, it's still just having each of you and the three of us kind of cheering each other on, even if it's not going to, and at one point be the same class, just that encouragement and support and love. And I would love sometime in the near future or not near future, because I know how crazy life can be. We'll like find a mid center location from the three of us, and I would love to grab dinner and um, Alicia, you can have drinks, and Dana and I can have Diet Cokes or water or um. So yeah, just wanted to share and end off with that. Love both of you, and yeah, thanks for being such a good support system